Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create barcode in Microsoft Excel easily. First we will download a font from dafont.com, and the font name is CIA Code 39. The download link in description. Download the font, extract the zip file and install the font. Okay, now let us create a database with item name and item code. I am just creating 2 rows and then auto-fill the rest. Now select the first empty cell, which is C2, in barcode column and type equals B2. You just created an exact copy of the item code cell. Now fill the data in barcode cell by copying the formula in other cells. Now select the barcode column, right-click and select Format Cells. In the Format Cells screen select Text from category, press OK. It is important to change the number format to text format, otherwise the barcode will not be generated. Now let us change the font of the entire column to the newly installed CIA Code 39 font. Just change the font of your column heading again. Now we have barcode for every single item. It's so easy to make, right? Okay, let us make the barcode generator more dynamic. What if user want to add more items and generate barcodes automatically? Let us convert the data to a table by pressing Ctrl+T. Now if you add item name and item code, the barcode is generated automatically. That is awesome. That's it for now, thanks. Please like and subscribe.